To remain relevant, learn from your past, live in the present with an eye on the future. Did you know that until the U.S. Federal Reserve was created in 1908, individual banks could create their own money? Or that J.P. Morgan's uncle, James Pierpont, wrote Jingle Bells in 1857? Or that the world's first bank was Monte dei Paschi di Siena, founded in 1472 and headquartered in Tuscany, Italy? It is actually still operating to this day. Hey everyone, Dan here with Ethos Investing. Stay tuned to hear some amazing information about the financial sector, and later in my second sector portfolio reveal, we will discuss my 4 holdings in my second smallest sector by portfolio value. Now let's jump into a deep dive of the financial sector. The financial sector consists of companies involved in activities such as banking, mortgage finance, consumer finance, specialized finance, investment banking and brokerage, asset management and custody, corporate lending, insurance, financial investments, real estate investment trusts, as well as companies engaged in real estate management and development. Analysts, politicians, and economists often tie the overall health of the economy with the pulse of the financial sector. If the sector is doing poorly, it generally has a detrimental impact on the average consumer and indicates weakness in the overall economy. Companies in the financial sector operate in the space between society's borrowers and savers. These institutions take funds from consumer depositors and lend the capital to those looking to borrow funds. These could be individuals, businesses, and even governments. Financial institutions provide a wide variety of products and services to consumers. These include things like loans for businesses, mortgages to homeowners, and insurance to consumers. There are 9 major types of financial institutions that provide a variety of services from mortgage loans to investment vehicles. These include central banks, retail and commercial banks, internet banks, credit unions, savings and loans associations, investment banks and companies, brokerage firms, insurance companies, and mortgage companies. Now let's take a look at some of the ways one can invest in the sector. Prospective investors in the financial sector can take the plunge into the market in numerous ways. The choices include purchasing equities of specific insurance, banking, investment companies, buying mutual funds, and investing in exchange-traded funds. There are numerous financial-related ETFs that provide diversified exposure to the sector. A few of the more popular financial ETFs include the Financial Select Sector Spider Fund, or ticker symbol XLF, Vanguard's Financials ETF, or ticker symbol VFH, and the iShares US Financial Services ETF, or ticker symbol IYG. Some popular financial sector companies by market cap are Berkshire Hathaway, or ticker symbol BRKB, with a market cap of $494 billion, JP Morgan Chase, or ticker symbol JPM, with a total market cap of $296 billion, Bank of America, or BAC, with a total market cap of $217 billion, Citigroup, or C, with a market cap of $103 billion, and rounding out the top 5 is Goldman Sachs, or ticker symbol GS, at nearly $71 billion. Invariably, the financial sector will continue to struggle with the global crisis and extremely low interest rates. That being said, in my opinion, there is value to be had in the sector right now. As we stated earlier, a strong financial sector is a sign of a healthy economy. It is only a matter of time until the global economic outlook improves, and along with it, these financial institutions. If you feel this content is going to help you on your investment journey, please hit the like button so I know you are following me. Now let's take a look at the first of 4 financial sector holdings in my portfolio. We will start with the smallest position first. Did you know that this company has been around for more than 165 years and has earned a reputation as one of the best property casualty insurers in the industry because of the exemplary way they take care of their customers? Any idea on which company this might be? Comment below after the video finishes and let me know if you got this one correct. The company is Travelers. Travelers is an American insurance company founded in Minnesota in 1853 as St. Paul Fire and Marine. They provide a range of commercial and personal property and casualty insurance products and services to businesses, government units, associations, and individuals in the United States and internationally. It is the second largest writer of U.S. commercial property casualty insurance and is the sixth largest writer of U.S. personal insurance through independent agents. They are headquartered in New York City and have approximately 31,000 employees. Travelers operates in three segments: business insurance, bond and specialty insurance, and personal insurance. The business insurance segment offers workers' compensation, commercial automobile and property, general liability, commercial multi-peril, employer's liability, public and product liability, professional indemnity, marine, aviation, onshore and offshore energy, construction, terrorism, personal accident, and kidnap and ransom insurance products. The bond and specialty insurance segment provides surety, fidelity, management and professional liability, and other property and casualty insurance products through independent agencies and brokers. The personal insurance segment offers property and casualty insurance covering personal risk, primarily automobile and homeowners insurance to individuals through independent agencies and brokers. In summary, Travelers is the second largest writer of U.S. commercial property casualty insurance and sixth largest writer of U.S. personal insurance through independent agents with operations in the United States, United Kingdom, Ireland, Singapore, China, Canada, and Brazil. Now let's take a look at my holdings. I'm currently holding 5.05 shares of Travelers. At a current dividend yield of 3.02%, Travelers drips $17.16 a year in my hybrid portfolio composed of both single stocks and ETFs. The second smallest holding in the financial sector within my portfolio will likely seem a bit more mainstream than Travelers. Let's check out a quick fact and see if you can name the company. Did you know that this company started as the Bank of Italy? Its roots can be traced back to 1904 when Amedeo Giannini founded Bank of Italy in San Francisco. Originally established to serve working-class citizens in the area, particularly Italian Americans, the bank grew rapidly and adopted its current name in 1930. Any guesses? The answer is Bank of America, which is the third largest holding in the financial sector of my portfolio. Founded in 1784, Bank of America is an American multinational investment bank and financial services company headquartered in Charlotte, North Carolina, employing over 200,000 people. Bank of America Corporation, through its subsidiaries, provides banking and financial products and services for individual consumers, small and middle market businesses, institutional investors, large corporations, and governments worldwide. The company operates in four segments: consumer banking, global wealth and investment management, global banking, and global markets segments. The consumer banking segment offers traditional and money market savings accounts, CDs and IRAs, non-interest and interest-bearing checking accounts, investment accounts and products, credit and debit cards, residential mortgages, home equity loans, as well as direct and indirect loans such as automobile, recreational vehicle, and consumer personal loans. The Global Wealth and Investment Management segment offers investment management, brokerage, banking, trust and retirement products, and wealth and management solutions, as well as customized solutions including specialty asset management services. The Global Banking segment provides lending products and services including commercial loans, leases, commitment facilities, trade finance, real estate and asset-based lending, treasury solutions such as treasury management, foreign exchange, short-term investing options, working capital management solutions, debt and equity underwriting and distribution, and of course merger-related and other advisory services. The Global Markets segment offers market making, financing, securities clearing, settlement, and custody services, as well as risk management, fixed income, and mortgage-related products. Bank of America also has hubs located in New York City, London, Hong Kong, Dallas, and Toronto. It is the second largest banking institution in the United States, with only JP Morgan Chase being larger. Their primary competitors are Citi, JP Morgan, and Wells Fargo. As a part of the Big Four banks in the United States, it services a large portion of the overall American bank deposits. Now let's take a closer look at my Bank of America holdings. I am currently holding 26.99 shares of Bank of America. At a current dividend yield of 2.87%, Bank of America drips $18.86 annually into my portfolio. The second largest holding in the financial sector with my portfolio is quite similar to Bank of America. Let's examine an interesting bit of trivia and see if you can name the company. Did you know that this company opened for business in New York City on 16 June 1812 with $2 million in capital? Any guesses? The answer is Citi, which is the second largest holding in the financial sector of my portfolio. Citigroup is an American multinational investment bank and financial services corporation that boasts over 200,000 employees and is headquartered in Lower Manhattan. Citigroup has diversified financial services operations with subsidiaries on 4 continents: North America, Asia, Europe, and Africa. These entities provide financial products and services to consumers, corporations, governments, and institutions across the globe. The company operates in 2 distinct segments, which are the Global Consumer Banking and Institutional Clients Groups. The Global Consumer Banking segment offers traditional banking services to retail customers through retail banking, Citi-branded cards, and Citi Retail Services. It also provides various banking, credit card lending, and investment services through a network of local branches, offices, and electronic delivery systems. The Institutional Clients Group segment offers wholesale banking products and services, including fixed income and equity sales and trading, foreign exchange, prime brokerage, derivative services, equity and fixed income research, corporate lending, investment banking and advisory services, private banking, cash management, trade finance, and security services to corporate, institutional, public sector, and high net worth clients. As a member of the Big Four, Citigroup has over 200 million customer accounts and does business in more than 160 countries. Now let's take a closer look at my Citi holdings. I'm currently holding 13.12 shares of Citi. At a current dividend yield of 4.11%, Citi drips $26.77 annually into my portfolio. The largest holding in the financial sector within my portfolio will come as no surprise to most. Let's see who can name the company from the fact that follows. This company's founder played an important role in the formation of the United States Steel Corporation, International Harvester, and AT&T. Any guesses? The answer is JP Morgan, which is the largest holding in the financial sector of my portfolio. JP Morgan is an American multinational investment bank and financial services holding company founded in 1799. It is headquartered in Midtown Manhattan and employs over 250,000 people. JP Morgan operates in 4 major reportable business segments. These include consumer and community banking, corporate and investment bank, commercial banking, and asset wealth and management. The consumer and community banking segment focuses on offering deposits and investment products and services to customers. Products and services include lending, deposit, and cash management and payment solutions to small businesses, mortgage origination and servicing activities, residential mortgages and home equity loans, and credit card, payment processing, auto loan, and leasing services. The corporate and investment bank segment provides investment banking products and services, including corporate strategy and structure advisory, and equity and debt market capital raising services, as well as loan origination and syndication, cash management and liquidity solutions, and cash securities and derivative instruments, risk management solutions, prime brokerage, and research. The corporate and investment bank segment provides investment banking products and services, including corporate strategy and structure advisory, and equity and debt markets capital raising services. It also includes loan origination and syndication, cash management and liquidity solutions, and cash securities and derivative instruments, risk management solutions, prime brokerage, and research. The commercial banking segment provides comprehensive financial solutions including lending, treasury services, investment banking, and asset management products across 3 primary client segments. These segments include middle market banking, corporate client banking, and commercial real estate banking. The asset and wealth management segment provides investment and wealth management services across equities, fixed income, alternatives, and money market fund asset classes, multi-asset investment management services, retirement products and services, and brokerage and banking services. Clients include institutions, high net worth individuals, and retail investors in major markets throughout the world. The company also provides ATM, online and mobile, and telephone banking services. As most of you are aware, JP Morgan is the largest bank in the United States and the 7th largest bank in the world, with total assets coming in at nearly $2.687 trillion. It is also the largest bank by market cap. Now let's examine my JP Morgan holdings. I am currently holding 11.15 shares of JP Morgan. At a current dividend yield of 3.7%, JP Morgan drips $40.13 annually into my portfolio. As a sector, my financial positions account for only 0.7% of my total hybrid portfolio holdings, with a value of approximately $2,950, with the 4 companies accounting for a total drip of $102.92. As I mentioned in my first portfolio sector reveal on energy, the goal is to continue to add around $3,000 a month to the portfolio through the end of the year. Keep an eye out for my next portfolio sector reveal. Please comment below what sector you think will be next. If you missed my first portfolio sector reveal on energy, please check it out. I'll leave a link to the video in the description. As always, lead the way, motivate others around you, remain physically and mentally resilient, foster a positive investing ethos, be pragmatic, and have fun achieving your goals. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. The opinions expressed in this video are solely for educational and entertainment purposes only. Any stock purchase I show in videos should not be considered an investment recommendation. Investing involves risk, and you should do your own research. For investment advice, please seek the counsel of a financial advisor.